Okay. So in the last class, we discussed about how to install Salesforce CPQ package and what is Salesforce CPQ basics, right? Okay. So today what we'll do is we'll create some basic code and configure some basic products. Okay, we'll configure some basic products. So before configuring products, we need to understand what are all the objects is involved here. Okay. This is not okay. So first we need to configure products in now. To create a code, first we have to configure the products. Okay. So so anyone knows how we can configure products in Salesforce CPQ? What are the objects is involved here?
For every product, first we have to define the price book for that,
Correct.
and then define the quantity price book and the currency for which the pricing is done.
Correct. Uh, so what is product? What is price book? What is price book entry? Difference. Anyone knows what is product?
Name, types, description.
Mm-hmm.
Pr- Price book is like every country will have, for example, let's say there is a laptop and an HP laptop. So in India, the pricing would be different for that particular laptop, and let's say in Singapore, the pricing would be different. So based on that, we define the price of individual products in the price book for country specific, yeah, or any other variation in terms of the price.
Correct. Yes, correct. So similarly, so first we'll talk about definitions. What is product? What is price book? Then what is price book entry? Then we'll configure the product. Okay. First of all, product is nothing but a
Sales side. What
anything. So product is nothing but a item or like a thing, right?
things? Right.
Some product is nothing but a it is a item or you can say something like a either anything, sir. Either anything. Product is nothing but a item or thing or service. Okay. For example, if you take a Samsung power bank or like a Lenovo laptop, right? This is one product. Yes or no? Lenovo laptop, any power bank if you take, right? Mobile charger, whatever it may be, etc., etc. So similarly, Amazon also one type of product. Netflix also one type of product. Okay. So what is the meaning of product is? Product is nothing but a some one item or thing or some services. Ante. Yes or no? అర్థమైంది what I'm saying?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So product is nothing but a something, either any physical thing or some services. Okay, either anything, both are nothing but a product. Okay, these products are nothing but a assets. Okay, we can touch and we can like we can see it actually, but we cannot see Amazon like a service. Service-based products we cannot see. Like for example, if we take internet services, broadband, right? Just we can pay and use it. That's it. We cannot that is not our asset. Okay, if you pay, you can use it. Example, mobile recharge, Geo recharge, right? You can pay monthly, you can pay quarterly, you can pay yearly. So those are nothing but a service-based products. These are nothing but a asset-based products. So product is nothing but a one thing or some item or some services. Okay, that is product. Okay. Then what is price book? What is price book? So price book is nothing but a, okay, in case catalog, sir. Okay. So price book is nothing but a price book is a catalog. So normally what will happen if you take any company, either Samsung example, Lenovo example, okay, anything, iPhone, whatever, anything. So all those companies, they will not sell their products in one place. Okay. What they will do? They will sell their products in India also. They will sell their products in USA also, right? USA, India, Japan, etc. Okay. Generally, based on some regions, based on some countries, right? If you want to if you want to assign pricing, then we have to create a price book. Okay. Price book is nothing but a catalog. So generally, if you want to create a price for your product in multiple areas, like multiple regions, based on the region, okay, then we can go for the price book. Understand everyone? Ardhavayinda?
Okay, like multiple countries based on the
Correct.
countries.
Correct. Based on the countries, or even sometimes you can say based on the region, like India,
Okay.
APAC, Japan, or whatever it may be. India, APAC, right? Etc. Something like this. So based on the country, based on the region, if you want to set your product price, different price for the product, we can go for the price book. So that's why you can call it the price book is also but a catalog. Understand everyone?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Then what is price book entry? So price book entry is nothing but it is a junction object for product and
Product and product price book.
price book. Okay. So generally, if you want to sell your products in the multiple regions, example, if you take this one, Lenovo laptop product. Okay. I want to sell in USA price book. USA price book. Then for USA price book, for example, you can give price equals to $10,000. Right? For example, same product, if you want to sell in India, what will happen, sir? Can we give same price?
No.
So what will happen in India? Maybe some little bit different. For example, I'll take 9,000. Okay, just I'm not talking about multi-currency, just I'm talking about now directly dollars only to understand this topic. We will discuss multi-currency later. Okay. Same product for India, it will be 9,000, right? For example, if you take a Lenovo power bank only, same power bank only. So for USA, it will be $1,000. Okay. Same power bank. Okay. Same power bank. So if you want to sell in India, price book, so it will be different price.
reduced.
Maybe it will be reduced or decrease, whatever it may be, madam, based on the
Okay.
demand.
Okay.
Right? So if you observe now, just if you observe these sample products, you can see now, one product is there in how many price books now? Lenovo laptop is there in how many price books, how many places?
Number of
Multiple.
two.
Multiple. Actually, here two, but in real time it will be even I can add this Lenovo laptop in Japan price book also. Lenovo laptop I can add in Australia price book also, right? So multiple places. So one product is there in a multiple places.
Yes.
Similarly, if you observe in the one place, how many products are there? For example, in this case, in the USA, how many products are there here?
Multiple, like two.
Two. In this case, two. But you can add other
Real
products
time.
also.
Okay. Okay.
Like we added only the laptop power bank. You can add charger also, Amazon also, Netflix also here below. Correct?
Yes. Yes. Correct.
So what is the meaning of this one is? This is called many-to-many relationship in Salesforce. So one product is there in multiple places, multiple price books. One price book can have multiple products. So this is called many-to-many relationship in Salesforce. So generally, we cannot create directly many-to-many relationship between the two objects. Okay, it is not possible. Directly, you cannot create many-to-many relationship between two objects. So that's why we are using one junction object. It is nothing but a price book entry. So by using this price book entry, what we can do? You can select a product, you can select the price book, assign the price. So that's why we are calling as a price book entry is a junction object. So by using junction object only, we can create a many-to-many relationship in a Salesforce. Understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And one more thing is whenever you create a product in Salesforce, so after creating product, the first thing what we have to do is we need to assign standard price for the product. Okay. Simple. What is the meaning of standard price? It is nothing but a MRP price. You can say like I'm just giving example like MRP price or default price for the product. Okay, madam. Default price for the product. Okay. It is mandatory. Okay. Whenever you create a Salesforce product, so after creating product, immediately what you have to do? You have to assign the standard price for the product. Okay. For example, for Lenovo laptop, okay, I will give default price equals to 10,000. Understand, madam? Ardhaminda? What is the standard price I am giving here?
Yes, yes. 10,000.
Lenovo laptop. This is standard price.
Hmm.
After creating product, immediately, if you want to use it in the price book, so first we have to assign the standard price.
Standard price.
For example, if you take same Lenovo power bank, okay. For example, I can give a 1,000. So this is standard price. You can say MRP price for the product. Okay. So, but whenever you are adding this product to the price book in the price book entry, so you can use the same price. Maybe if you want to use the same price, standard price, you can use it. For example, you can see here for this Lenovo laptop for USA country, I'm using same price, default price. But for this one, India price book, what I have done, I've changed this price, the default price. So this is in the price book entry. Whatever the price we are giving, it is called list price. Understand everyone? అర్థమవుతుందా?
Okay.
So at the time of product creation, we have to assign the standard price. So generally, we can call it as like a default price for the product or MRP price for the product, whatever you can say for understanding. Okay. But whenever you are adding the same product to the price books, okay, price books. This is not price book, madam. This is just standard price, default price. Don't confuse it. Okay. Price book is different. Standard price is different. అర్థమవుతుందా?
Okay. Yes.
Standard price is like a default
One
price for the product. Simple
one
చెప్పాలంటే.
question over here.
Yeah, okay.
So in the standard price, we don't define the currency. It's without any currency, right?
We have to define currency, like it is a dollar or like in rupee, something like that. We have to mention
Okay.
or euro, right? Generally, otherwise by default it will take a. If you are not enabling multi-currency, by default it will take a dollar or something Indian rupee based on our user records. Okay.
So whatever we have configured by default for the user in the system, the currency. So that currency
That
is
currency will
applicable.
come. Correct.
Okay. Okay.
But once you enable multiple currency, what will happen is, so it will ask like one currency is main currency, like corporate currency. Remaining or like we can convert it based on that corporate currency. That I'll discuss corporate currency and multi-currency. Now just we'll discuss normal thing like that. Only we have dollar only, or we have rupees only, like that we can think now.
Okay.
Understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now just we can create one product like Samsung power bank or Lenovo power bank. We'll see how it will work. So first what you have to do? to create a product.
You need to go to product
And one
object.
more thing, whenever you are working CPQ, right, this ARG is only for CPQ practice. Always choose a CPQ application only. Otherwise, if you'll see sales application and all applications that have different tabs, right? But this is mainly for CPQ, so choose always CPQ app only here. So that you can see all the CPQ related objects, tabs, everything here. Schedules, core templates, products, product rules, all this. Okay. Now, if we go to the product, so click on new. I'll give an example. If we don't have product family, first I'll add some product families like a hardware, software, service, something like that to identify product. So how we can add pick list values for the family?
Go to
Field and
object
yes.
manager.
Go to object manager and we have to open the object. We have to go to field and relationships. Open the field and we have to edit the
Okay, go to fields and relationships. Go to the family field. Okay, madam. So here we don't have any pick list values. So add some pick list values here. New. For example, I'll add a hardware, software, service, like this. I can. Okay, click save. Now we can again choose the Salesforce app CPQ application. You can go to the product. You can already see, you can by default Salesforce also giving some default objects. If you want to use it, you can use it. Okay, if example, if you open this product. So as I mentioned, after creating product, immediately what you have to do?
default price, so like a standard price.
Standard price you have to assign, right? So that you can see here. You go to the related list. So this is standard price. Understand? This is standard price book. By default, Salesforce is giving default standard price book. If you want, for example, assume again your client like Samsung, they're selling products only in India. They don't have any branches in other countries. So in that case, you don't need to create multiple price books. You can use the default standard price book only. Okay, you can see like this rupees something like this. Understand? Arthamavutunda? When you will go for multiple price books, if you have a different price for the same product based on the regions, countries, then only will go for multiple price books. For example, your client is only in India, you don't need to go for multiple price books. You can use the existing default price book called standard price book. Understand?
Okay.
So
Yes.
standard price is different. Standard price book is different. Okay, this is the standard price. I mean default price for the product. So this is price book. Okay, generally we can use the price books in the quote. Choose the products. Understand, sir? Don't confuse. Standard price is different. Price book is different. So first thing is after creating product, first you have to assign the standard price. Then only you can assign any price book. Okay. We'll create new product and see. Click new button. The product name I can give Samsung Power Bank. So I'll choose this one is a hardware. You can give some code for the product. I'll give Samsung iPhone 001. So product should be active, otherwise it will not visible in the cart. So select this one. So remaining fields not necessary. Just leave it like this blank only now. Okay. So by default quantity is one only there in the selection page. Okay. Remaining fields just leave it like this only now. Don't touch it. Okay. Click on save. So now we have created a product. So tell me now immediately what you have to do.
Standard
Assign the
price.
standard price.
If you go to the related list, go down. Here, what is the button showing here? What is the button name here?
Standard price, add standard price.
Why we don't have a button called add to price book?
First, we need to assign the standard price. After that, it will be shown.
Correct. So first we have to assign the default standard price for the product. Then only you can assign, without assigning standard price, you cannot assign this product to the price books. Okay. Understand? So first standard price is mandatory. So choose add standard price. Okay. By default it is taking standard price book here. I'll give a price equals to 1,000 rupees. Example. Okay. Use standard price. This is standard price. Click save. What is this field indication? Oh, sorry. We know it is like that one. Okay. Go to the related list. So now you can see after assigning standard price, it is nothing but standard price book only. You can see add to price. 1 minute, I have one question doubt here. Okay, it is price book showing here. Okay, we'll see. We'll check later that one. Now just we have assigned the standard price book like a default price for the product is 1,000 rupees. Okay, so then only we can assign this product to the other product. So what we can do now, we can use this product only, this price book only now. Don't create multiple custom price books now. We will discuss later. Now we can create only, we can use this price book only. So now, if you go to the price book entries, this is price book entries. This is standard price book.
Why the active flag is not checked? It should be checked, right?
It should be checked. Yeah. Right. Okay. So go back. Samsung power bank. Put it a list. Okay. And by default, price book object is not available here. We'll go to the price book object. So you can see this standard. This is standard price book. I call this. So in the related list, so we have to add our product. Okay. You can click view all. So our product is there here. Yeah, already it is added. Just so we have it. Okay. And just 1 minute. You go to the standard, go to related list, view all. Okay. Standard also price book, standard price book also price book. Okay. Both are price books only. So we can use anyone. So we have used a standard price book. Okay. We have used a standard price book, this one. Okay. So now we have a product, price book, and this is called price book entry. Here you can see, right? Once you are adding product, it is nothing but a price book entry. This is price book entry. Edit Samsung Power Bank because this is the product name. This is the price book name. So this is the list price. Okay, this price you can change if you want. But if I want this channel price, why it is not saving? You are getting some error. What is error? This is, I'm not sure. Okay, I'll check that one. Why it is not taking default channel price? Okay, so now we can just create sample account now. Leave it like that. New account. For example, I can give account name is Max IT Solutions. Okay, so you can give some phone number. So remaining fields is not necessary now. Just give billing address, shipping address. So these fields are important in the quote level or order level, right? So I'll give ICE number 1/9, billing city, Kukatpalli, the postal code 572. State and Telangana. Billing country I'll give India. Okay, just give this basic information. Don't touch other fields now. It is not required. Then click a. So now this company wants to buy a power bank. Like example, they want to buy 10 power banks. Okay, this customer wants to buy 10 power banks. So, but whom we need to contact in this company? Who is the point of contact for this account? You know who is the point of contact for this account? They are looking for 10 Samsung products, but who is the point of contact here?
We have to add the contact for this.
Contact. So contact is nothing but a person or employees working in this company. Okay. So I'll choose, for example, Mr. Ram Charan. So by default, phone number is coming from the account level, so you can use it. So account name is populating. You can see mailing address also coming same. Other address is not required. Just click a save. So point of contact for this account. Then like where we can enter the sales information. This company wants the 10 Samsung products. Where we can enter, where we can track that sales information. Opportunity. So account is nothing but a company. Contact is nothing but a point of contact for that company, customer employees in that company. So opportunity is nothing but a sales information. Okay, what they are buying. Everything is maintained in that. So I can give Max Solution Sales. Okay. So close date I can choose maybe 29. Stage I can give prospecting. So remaining tools are not required now. Just click it. Okay. Click on this. Okay. So now, so sales information is there. Okay. If you click a new code here, this is now CPQ for like a object, code object, right? So it will open the code report. Why it is taking this much time? Okay. So now if you observe here, okay, before creating it, so generally if you go to the opportunity, If we go to the opportunity, so there is something called primary contact. Anyone knows what is primary contact? Here, contact was object is there. What is the use of this object?
It is like what is the role of that person in the organization? What is is he a decision maker or coach or
Correct,
something like that?
correct, exactly. So persons can have this like account can have multiple contacts. We can decide Ram Charan is a decision maker. I can have example other person, Allu Arjun is nothing but some different role like that. You can choose, but only one primary contact is available at a time. You can create multiple opportunity contact roles here. Okay, so automatically in the account, what are the contacts are there? All those contacts will come here. You can choose what their role. Okay, currently we have only one contact under the account. So that's why you're able to see only one contact. In case if you have five contacts under this account, you can see five contact roles. But only one primary contact will be one primary contact person will be there for that account. You can have multiple contact roles, only one primary point of contact for that person. Understand? అర్థమైందా సార్?
Yes.
Click save. Now is the see, primary point of contact for this company. Okay. Now we can just create a code. Now if you observe here, build to, shift to, so nothing is populating by default here. So we have to enter data everything manually. Okay. But previously there is some settings. I'll go to the package settings. Go to the setup. Go to the package installations. So go to configure. Okay. Go to the port. So disable port address defaulting. So you have not disabled, but it is not showing. Disable port contact defaulting. Okay. We'll do one thing. I will. So what is the meaning of this option is by default the primary contact who is there for that account, it will come automatically there here. I mean here means so here automatically needs to come. Sorry, in the primary contact answer needs to come. And automatically this build to shift to also needs to populate from the account level. But it is not populating. We'll do one thing. I'll go to the opportunity again once again. Click on my IT solution. Okay. I'll choose account name. After choosing, we'll see. I'll choose account name. And what is the opportunity name? Hacks IT Solution Sales. So don't select primary now. So generally what will happen? One opportunity can have only one code or multiple codes. Can you create multiple codes for that opportunity or only one code?
I think multiple codes can be created.
Yeah. And you can see by default it is taken code will expire in what the date is showing it is 0704 means what? Now today is 3 madam, right? This showing like a fourth month. So exactly 30 days, right?
Yes.
How this populating is because of the settings.
Okay.
Default code validity days is how many days, madam? 30 days.
30 days.
After 30 days, automatically it will expire. If you want to change to 15 days, you can change it. Or if you want to change 60 days, you can change it. After changing, you have to click save. Otherwise, that change will not applicable. Understand what is the use of this option?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So leave it 30 days. Normal 30 days only will be there. And remaining fields is not required. Click save. It should populate primary contact and build to shift to information based on that selected account and opportunity. Right? Is it populated primary contact now? Who is the primary contact for this account? Ram Charan. If you go
Yes,
down,
Ram Charan.
if you go down, can you see build to address, shift to address? Also, by default populated from the selected account. For example, sometimes what will happen is they don't want to use the same ship to bill to address in the code level in case based on whatever the account is there. Most of the cases bill to address is same, madam. Okay. Bill to address will be never changed. అర్థమవుతుందా? In the account level, generally bill to mainly if you see there is one corporate office is there. That address will never change. But same account can have multiple like branches. I mean, okay, India also there. If you take India, IBM is there in India also, Bangalore also, Chennai also, some Visakhapatnam, something different places. But headquarters is mainly one place. That is nothing but a main company built to address. But if you want to deliver your product to the different locations, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and all, then it will be there is a chance for changing this ship to address. But built to never change. At that time, if you want to remove, if you don't want to use this concept, you can disable it. Like if you don't want like a default primary contact, default address. Yes, madam. Now by default, these two populate automatically. Default populate here, we have entered data now. Bill to address, ship to address, primary contact. Allow data matter.
By default, it is.
By default, it is populated based on the selected account and opportunity. We have not entered this information. So in case if you want to enter, if you don't want to use this option, if you don't want to use this default option, what you can do, madam? You can use this option. Disable code address defaulting. If you enable this option, what will happen is this address will not populate. Understand? This address you can enter
Okay.
whatever you want.
Okay.
So if you disable this option, what will happen? Primary contact person is there in the code, right? That is also will not populate. You can choose whatever you want.
So one question over here.
Yeah.
So let's say for build to and ship to, if you want to define multiple options for build to and ship to, so where do we define that in the system? Again, we go to the specific object manager for this, edit the object for this account, and then specify, is it that way?
So you mean if you want to use one build to and multiple ship to?
Yeah, something like that.
Otherwise you want to use multiple build to multiple ship to.
Yes, yes.
So
Multiple build to
generally,
multiple.
so multiple build to multiple ship to means generally you have to get one more separate new account only.
But
New
will
account.
that be populated in this list? I mean, if I click on edit over here, the pencil icon is there
Hmm.
in the build to and ship to. So will that be okay? This is not a pick list. Okay,
It
I
is
thought it is a
whatever
pick.
we have selected account name, right? That is account.
Okay, fine, fine. I thought it is a pick list value where you could choose.
No. So just we have created. Now we can add the products to the code. So to add the products to the code, so here if you go, there is something called edit lines. So once you click edit lines, it will navigate to the cart page. So similarly, if you open like Amazon website, so what will happen? There it will display all the products in the Amazon website. So similarly, if you open this edit line, so it will open the products available in this organization. So we have to set the price book first. So we have added that our product to the standard price book now, like this one. So click save. So now once you click save, what will happen? In this standard price book, whatever all the products are there, all those will come. Just example, click save. Right? So here you can just click on add products. It will display all the products available in this price book. So similarly, this is our product we have added in the standard price book. Right? So once you click add products, right, you can display all the products. You can select here multiple products. For example, I want this, right? And in case if you have like thousands of products in real time, in that time you can search here, Samsung, something like that. It will display only that related products also. This is like a search option for the product. Understand? What is this? After clicking add products, it will display all the products. If you want all the products, you can just select all the products, whatever you want. Okay. This is like a filters. For example, we can say currently there is no family, but we have only one family. I'll choose product family equal to hardware. If you click apply, what will happen? ఏమవుతుంది it will apply the filters in this cart. Only it will display hardware product here. For example, you want display only. I don't want any filter. Just clear the fields. Click apply. For example, I want to filter based on the code. Example, I want to display code like this, based on this. See.
Sir, all these products are under from same account.
Sorry. Come again, madam.
All these products under from same account.
No, same price book. So this product will come under price book based on price book. We have standard price book is there, right? If you go to the standard price book, this is, so the standard price book is having all those products, whatever you
Okay. It will come based on the standard.
price book, madam. So once you click edit line
Okay.
items, first you have to choose the price book. For example, now we are we are using only default price book, right? So standard price book. That's why. In real time, what will happen? There you will get a multiple options: India price book, USA price book, China price book, like that. So based on the price book you have selected, so that will display products in the cart. Understand?
Understood, sir. Yes,
Uh,
understood.
so here you can see, madam. So you can, this is a filter option. You can use the filter based on the product code also apply like this. Understand, madam? So this is called filters. This is like a favorite, madam. So normally if you see this option is this. So you are selling one product regularly in this price book. For example, I'm selling one product like a power bank regularly. First of all, remove that filter here. Clear it, apply. For example, say this one. I want, this is my favorite product. Most of the cases I'm selling this product. So I can choose this option. Click on favorite. See now this is all like a selected products. So now you can go to the again back cancel. Okay. See it is coming already code page. So already you have set a price book at the time of edit lines. So you can see that price book here. Okay. Now if you click edit lines, it will not ask again standard price book name, because already price book is selected previously. It will directly go to that price book product only. Add product. So now select the product here. Okay, select now. Once you select the product, you will go to the quote line. This is called quote line page. So here you can see product name, code name, quantity, how many ones. For example, what is the price for the product now? In price 1000. For example, if you change
1,000.
here to 5,
2,000 it will be. Okay,
5.
5,000.
So 5 into 1000, it will display automatically here
5,000.
5000. Just click on calculate. You can see. So this is a list price. This is unit price. Unit price is different, madam. Okay, this is price will come from the product. Okay, for example, for this product, I am applying 20% discount, 10% discount. As in 10% discount means how much, madam? In 1000? How much? 10% means in the
100, 100.
100. So 1000 minus 100, how much will you get? Price
900.
900.
900 it will.
So this is the net unit price. After applying some discounts in the background, also you can do some pricing and all. So finally will come. That is nothing but what, madam? Unit price. Now it will calculate
Yes, yes.
5 into 9. That is nothing but 4500. Right? So we will discuss these buttons and all later. Now it's not required. In case if you want to add products again, more products along with this Samsung, I want to sell one more product. Click again add product. Again it will be product selection page. For example, I can choose this platinum. Click select. So now you can see by default 40,000 total price will come. Right? So you can see this is add to favorites also here also available. For example, not this one. I'll give favorite name is Samsung 7. Okay, this is actually favorite product. You can see by star symbol. Okay, even you can, it is available now if you go some afterwards also. Okay, so like this. In case if you want to add products again, click on add. Click favorites. Now you can see in the Samsung favorite you have a product. Okay, if you select this one automatically, the Samsung power bank will come. Understand, madam? అర్థమవుతుందా? What is that favorite? Whatever the set, you can add it. You can just keep that favorite name. It will come here. But I don't want to add again. Remove it. Right? Okay, this is a product name and all these things. Just these all these details. Okay. Now what you can do? Just click on save. Now you can see. So we have created a code. So under the code in the related list, you can see the products. What were the products we have added? 2 products you can see. If you click view all, you can see 2 code products, 9 items, price and everything you can see. So based on this total price 4,500 plus 40,000, you can see automatically calculated in the here also. Total customer discount, how much we have provided. We have applied some 10% discount, right, for one product. So that's why it is 500. It is taking like a both combination, not one product. Additional discount 500 rupees. What is the price book we have selected? Okay. So here you can see total amount 45,000. All these things. This 45,000 list amount, regular amount, customer amount, it will change actually. But currently we are not applying so many discounts in the background. So that's why you can see only one thing. Okay. So now this is quote products, quote line items. Okay. If you go to the opportunity, in the opportunity also we have something called opportunity products. Can you see? Is it now any products are there in the opportunity products or blank?
No.
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 0. Okay. So is this quote primary quote or the normal quote?
Non-prime.
Normal quote. Okay. So
No.
generally what will
No.
happen?
Yes.
One opportunity can have multiple quotes, madam. Okay. If you see status here, right? So normally how the process will start is based on the status. Initially, if you create any code, it will be draft only, right? So once you create a code, for example, you want some like approval from your manager, like their customer is asking 10 to 20% discount, I need approval. So then what you can do, you can use the advanced approval concept is there in CPQ. You can submit this record to the approval process. Then status will become in review. Once your manager is approved, you can make a status equal to approved, right? Once it is approved, we have to send this quotation to the customer. Okay, denied means in case if your manager is denied, it is denied. Once it is approved, what you have to do? You have to present this code to the customer. I mean, in this case, Ramcharan, right? So then what you have to do? Once Ramcharan is accepted this code, it is accepted. He is rejected, rejected. So all this is like a status based on the like a life cycle for the code. Understand what is the for each this one? అర్థమైనా?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So
We
now
don't have to do this manually, right? It will be automated, right? Once we
automation. We have to do automation, sir. By default, there is no automation here.
Yeah.
We have to build approval process for first 3 options. These 3 options also we have to do some automation, like using flows or something like that. Understand? అర్థమైంది సార్ what I'm saying? Okay. For example, what I can do, this is accepted, customer is accepted. So I can make a primary code. So once you click primary
Okay.
code, so what means is already whatever the products are there in this primary code, how many products are there in the primary code? All those things will sync to the opposite products. Primary code products will sync to opportunity product. Understand,
Will
sir?
be
అర్థమైంది.
sync, right? Sir, now 2 products will be sync, right? Because we are added 2 products for this one.
Correct, madam. If I click just select the site primary and click on save. Now, if you go to your opportunity, if you refresh the page here, can you see, madam, two products here?
Okay.
So these are nothing but opportunity products. Okay. So one opportunity can have multiple codes, but whatever which code is primary, that code product only will take. Understand, madam?
Yes.
అర్థమైందా?
Yes.
For example, what you can try is you can create one account, like one opportunity, like max opportunity. Create two codes. Okay. In the each code, you can add different products. In one code, you can add power bank and laptop. In the other code, you can add some different products. Okay. After creating two codes, just try to change primary codes. Then observe what is happening. Understand, madam?
Okay.
Okay. If you change again one more primary code, so by default only one primary code will be there. If you change automatically other checkbox, other code is the primary, this code will become unchecked automatically.
Okay.
So then that time what will happen? Whatever the second code you made primary, that code product again will sync to the opposite product. Old products will again remove from the opposite product. Understand, madam? That you
Yes,
have
sir.
to try from yourself. Assignment. One opportunity,
Okay.
two codes. Try to change primary code from one to second, second to one, like that. You can do some research and let me know what is the solution for that.
So it means at a time only one primary code we can select. So based on the primary code, it will be show the opportunity products.
Correct. It will copy code line items to opposite product.
Okay.
Understand, madam? Okay. So like this, all these things. Okay. So, but what we did is till now we have created one normal product only. But what we can do is we can create a bundle product. What is bundle products, madam?
You have multiple currency products.
Not multiple currency products. Group of products. Okay. Currency, it is different, sir. Okay. Bundle, I'm just talking about bundle. Just now, for example, we have created, right? What we can call that product is a standalone product. Okay. We are selling alone. Yes or no? Samsung Power Bank is nothing but it is nothing but one product only.
Okay.
Right? Yes or no? For example, this is
Yes.
one product only. We are not selecting like if you select a Samsung product, okay, Samsung power bank, it is like single item, not multiple items. Single item. Standalone means single item, sir. Okay. Bundle product means group of products. Example, okay, if you take a normal KFC, if you go, there's something called meal pack is there, or some combo is there, meal pack. So what will happen? It is nothing but a product name only. Okay, but generally we can call
Okay.
this is a bundle product. Okay.
It will include 10 items like that.
Yeah, multiple items. More than one is nothing but a multiple items.
Okay.
This
Yes.
is bundle. This is a main packet, madam. Main product. Okay, but under this, what will
Okay.
happen? We have a sub products like options. Example, what are sub options? Example, meals available, right? Coke available, right? Something you
Yes.
can take. French fries available, right? Something you can add. Example, some nuggets, maybe anything,
Okay.
right? Available.
Okay.
So now, if whenever you are selecting this KFC meal pack, maybe there is option also. If you want to, by default, it is providing all these four options, right? In case if you don't want, you can remove this Coke and you can set only three also. But this is nothing but a bundled product. Understand, sir?
Yes.
For
Yes,
example,
sir.
if you take internet services, okay, example, Hathway brand, like um, Hathway internet example I'm taking. So Hathway internet is one bundle product, okay, bundle. But in this, if you buy Hathway internet, what all the things you will get? Wi-Fi router. Yes. What else? Internet service. Like you can buy monthly package and all those things, right? Services. And
PV
what
pack.
else, madam? Installation charges. Installation charges. What else? Anything like this you can take, right? Example. Any other example, best example you want to take? Even if you take normal laptop also, don't think about all these things. If you take normal laptop, what all these things
This
contain?
charger, like
Charger is headphones,
Headphone.
wireless mouse,
yes,
right? Headphones, wireless mouse, and it will include laptop also. Main thing is laptop only, right?
yes, yes,
So this is
yes, correct.
this is Samsung laptop. Main product is Samsung laptop. So if you buy this one, automatically it will include all these four options. Understand, sir? అర్థమవుతుందా? So this is called bundled product. Okay. So what we can do is maybe then tomorrow, I'm not sure.